Okay, so hello everybody. It's an amazing event. It's very good to see all of you again. My name is Stanislav Duba. I work as a product manager at SolidCAM Ltd. And today is my pleasure to show you and present you the whole new SolidCAM Wire EDM. You know, this Wire EDM module has been for last year put aside because we focused mainly on the mill turn and Swiss type. And it turns out a very good decision because now we are leading, we are #1 CAM in the world. So the same story will happen with Wire EDM. So what is actually Wire EDM? For those who don't know, Wire EDM is a very precise machining process where we are using electrically charged wire which cuts through the conductive material in the electric fluid. SolidCAM's Wire EDM module offers a complex set of features for your wire cutting operations. It supports various cutting strategies adapted to different materials and wires. Some of the key features of Wire EDM are built-in macros. So it includes built-in macros from the machine to streamline machining process. Second one is postponed cutting with sub-operations. It's very beneficial for day-night shifts, where during the night we are cutting the main work, and during the day we cut off everything else under supervision of the operator. And the last one is advanced bridge control to avoid material dropping. You know, in Wire EDM we should never drop anything down, so we implemented the very advanced control over the bridges, as well on the rough cut, finish cut, for different kind of start points and so on. So Wire EDM actually comes with 4 different jobs. First one is called 2-axis, and it's basic profile. You know profile, you know everybody from the milling, and that's it. Angle. We divided angle by 2 different types. Constant angle, when we do maintain still same angle throughout the whole geometry. And second type is variable angle. We do offer changing of the angle on any moment of our geometry. 4-axis, in different words, simultaneous, is also coming with 2 different types. For a wireframe, when we are working with the geometries, or solid, when we are working with the models and with the surfaces. And the last job, like I said before, it's macro. EDM data page, or in different words, technology database. This technology database is absolutely essential for your precise cuts. It offers various numbers of wires types, materials types, and different solutions. All of those data are coming inside GUI, inside each operation that I showed previously, and based on cutting depth, stock material, wire material, and wire diameter, we filter the best available technology based on your material for your cut. Okay, so let's check it out one by one. So profile. Everybody knows profile from milling. Like Daniel in his presentation said, SolidCAM is very well known for easy to use, fast learning, and in general it's easy. So we work very hard to achieve and take all benefits from milling to Wire EDM as well. That's why we implement the latest version of Smart Phase in Wire EDM, where we can handle very easily everything about the geometry. What is also very beneficial for us is that SolidCAM automatically generates stop points to prevent, on the toolpath, to prevent dropping of large cuts. Also, we have the possibility to change on any moment of our toolpath the stop points or change cutting conditions. Angle cutting, like I said, two cases. Constant angle, we maintain the same angle all around the geometry. And variable angle, when we have the possibility on each moment of our toolpath change the angle. So in this example, we can see that we see the preview of our geometry, and we see the graphic design for the variable angle. And I can very easily change each line for different angle, and in real-time data, when the user confirm, he immediately see what he'll get as a resulting toolpath. Very nice. So now something advanced. 4-axis wireframe. 4-axis, or in different words, simultaneous. In 2-axis, both nozzles are coming always in the same way. In 4-axis, it can go differently. So with 4-axis wireframe, we need two user-specified profiles for the upper, for the lower. SolidCAM then automatically find all the connection points between those two profiles, and according to those connection points, he will manage virus trajectory. We still have the possibility to add, edit, or remove those connection lines. So let's check it out how easy it is actually to create wireframe 4-axis job. So I will select new job, new geometry, my upper chain, my lower chain. SolidCAM automatically finds all connection lines. Now I need to select only desired number of the cuts, calculate, and simulate. All is done to make as minimum clicks as possible. And in few seconds, we have job done and simulated out. It also needs to mention, I need to mention that lately we introduced in Wire EDM the SolidCAM simulator, which comes also with all benefits from milling. Second one, completely new one, solution is 4-axis solid. Unlike 4-axis wireframe, which is working with geometries, 4-axis solid works with model and with surfaces, which allows us to make complex toolpath. Wire EDM automatically, it works in the way that Wire EDM automatically detects groups nearby planes for efficient machining. For selecting those faces, we have two easy solutions. So let's check it out. First one is called face selection. So in the job, I will switch to solid. I will select one surface which I want and confirm. SolidCAM in 1 second find all neighbor faces. And again, I just need to select the number of the cuts, calculate. In the moment, I have very nice toolpath. And in another second, I have simulation. In this case, I selected 2 cuts. So the first one, the blue one, was rough, and the second one is finished. And we are done. The second solution for face selection is called from to. And according to the name, you all can see that it works in the way that we find everything between 2 driven faces. So I will switch to from to. I will select my start face, my direction, and my end face. SolidCAM will automatically find everything between those 2 faces, and there is no more clicking. Everything will do SolidCAM for you. It needs to mention also something what is called automatic start point. You know, in Wire EDM, it's absolutely crucial to maintain starting point of your toolpath. So we implemented automatic start point based on updated material, as it is in iMachining 3D. And in this example, I just simply turn on automatic initial point. I'll calculate, and I get my starting toolpath inside pre-drilled hole. Very easy, very smart. We also offer a lot of manual selection with multiple options. I can select directly on the model, directly on the sketch, and even by the macro from the machine. Another technology what I want to show you is called destruction cut. Destruction cut remove material completely from the pocket, and this method is very useful for the cases when the core cannot be removed or for some surface quality, for increase the surface quality. We are coming with 3 different types. Type number 1 is called burn. We are going to remove every single material what is inside pocket, and here you can see the very nice toolpath, something similar to our pocket in milling. The second type is called one piece. We are going to detect very narrow places where the core is at the risk of fall, and we will put stop point. And the user or operator can handle this situation. The last one is called burn core. We are again detecting the narrow places, but in this case, the core will be completely removed by the wire. Something what already Emil and Daniel said several times. We understand that one of our biggest strengths is get integrations. So that's why we are coming with Wire EDM also inside as basic inside SolidWorks, Autodesk, Solid Edge, and Tiangong CAD as default. One interface, several different CADs. This is our greatest strength, and we will continue to integrate in other CADs as well. Okay, it was short. I would like to thank you very much.